Ladies, if you're looking for a nice, lightweight, tinted moisturizer, sunscreen situation, foundation all in one, very, 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 very light, Tower 28. I have a full video on it. I'm going to attach it to this situation right here. Y'all, this here, hands down, one of my favorites. I keep this on my little table right here when I'm doing my makeup, because any event that I forget to put my sunscreen on during my skincare process, I can always put this on right underneath my foundation. This is really, 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 really nice. And you can also wear it alone. There's a little tint to it. It can kind of even you out. The shade that I have in 63rd Street. And I do have the concealer as well. This looks bright. This looks bright. But let me tell you something. Once you blend it out, it blends out very, very nice. It doesn't look like you're going out. It's giving more like work day. You know, more subtle, church, everyday makeup look. You know, it's not giving like I'm going out. I'm not doing dinner. I'm not doing occasion. You know, it's something you can wear like, say, poolside. You know, it's really, really nice. I wish I would have had this when I went to Mexico, because this would have been not only protecting me from the sun, I would also have had a nice little tint, a little glow to go with, you know, my bathing suit. But let me know if you ever tried Tower 28. Don't forget to watch my video that I do have linked to this video right here. Just hang out with your girl and subscribe. That's all.